Hello everyone, myself Likhith, first year CSC in computer science. My invention is energy producing roads. The main purpose of the solar roadway is to produce clean renewable energy on the roadways and any other surface. Solar roadway are not suitable for heavy vehicles since they cannot withstand very heavy loads. The construction process involves the furnishing and writing the base plate and finally the positioning of the glass layer. The solar base plate is completely reusable. They do not soften at high temperature and do not need paint. This is one sample diagram of energy producing roads. The solar roadway is a street surface that produces electricity. It consists of a glass layer, an electronic layer, and a base plate layer. These solar panels are designed to withstand the height of the vehicle while capturing sunlight to produce electricity. The idea behind energy producing roads is to utilize the vast expansion of the road infrastructure to generate power and contribute to clean energy generation. The solar panels for roads need to be resilient enough to withstand the height of vehicle and various weather conditions, contribute to decrease in global warming, generate electricity. The solar base plate is completely reusable. Thank you.